These outfits are generated by AI and look at the results. They are so real, let's find out how these outfits can be generated in seconds with this super-friendly AI tool. First up, head over to lightxeditor.com and navigate to the AI editor. Click on Learn More and explore a whole world of AI tools. Here, go to AI Outfit. Click on Generate AI Outfit and upload your photo. You'll see the options of either choosing from a variety of pre-generated stylish outfits options, or you can write your own custom prompt to generate an outfit of your choice. Let's try out the pre-made outfits first. We're going casual today. Simply click on Generate and watch the AI magic. Look at that result. Realistic, isn't it? All pre-made styles are designed to produce natural-looking results. Look at all these results, you guys. Now let's spice things up a bit by writing our own prompts. I'll be very specific about the dress type, style, and color, and here you go. Generate as many as you like and experiment with all kinds of styles. This one kind of looks like a bathrobe. If you like what you see, you can hit the download button and save it directly to your device, or maybe if you'd prefer to tweak it a bit more, you can go to the photo editor from here. I'm going to select all to download, well, except the bathrobe. The rest I'll save to my device. And there you have it. Easy, fun, realistic, and totally customizable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing AI magic. Catch you in the next video.